Combinators. It is a branch of mathematics that deal with the problems of selection, arrangement, and operation within a finite or discrete system. Under the combinators, I am going to discuss about the factorial, multiplication principle, addition principle, permutation, and the combinations. First of all, I will go with the factorial. Factorial. It is the number obtained by multiplying all the positive integers that are less than or equal to a given positive integer. For example, if I consider 5 factorial, here all the numbers that are less than or equal to 5 includes 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If I multiply all together, then I am going to get 120 as a number. What is the significance of the factorial? Factorial will state us how many unique ways we can able to design an event with the following object. If we have 2 objects, we can able to design 2 events. If we have 3 objects, we have 6 unique events. If we have 4 objects, we have 24 unique events. In the same manner, we can able to calculate how many events we can able to design with the following objects. For example, I have 1, 2, 3 as a number. How many unique ways I can able to design a new number using these unique digits? I can consider 1, 2, 3 as one number, and I can consider 2, 1, 3 as another number. 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, and 1, 3, 2. There are 6 unique numbers with only 3 objects that are 1, 2, 3. And this is what a factorial status. Well, do subscribe our channel for regular updates. Thank you.